If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on the Motorola Moto G87, what you can do is, first of all, we need to open the settings. Then over here in settings, we're going to start by going to network and internet. And of course, although it might sound silly, you want to make sure that airplane mode is not enabled. Of course, when it is enabled, you will not have access to mobile data and Wi-Fi as well. And sometimes airplane mode can be enabled accidentally, and we might not be aware of that, so this is why I'm mentioning the airplane mode. Besides that, keep in mind that if you use any sort of a VPN, whether it is your own VPN profile that you may have created over here, or a dedicated VPN app, then in both cases there is always a chance that something goes wrong with the VPN connection. So if you do use VPN, you want to simply turn it off temporarily to see if that helps. Although it happens very rarely, it still may happen, so of course you just want to make sure that VPN is off just for now to see if mobile data works after that. Besides that, if you go to the private DNS mode over here, you want to make sure that the automatic option is selected. This is the default option, and this is what you probably want to set up in case you made any changes in the private DNS settings. Now, besides that, another thing that you can do is you can simply turn off mobile data and turn it back on. A simple disable and enable mobile data, a simple process like that can be actually very helpful, and it might solve some of the issues with mobile data. Also, we can go to the mobile data over here, and if you use two SIMs on your phone, you want to make sure that the correct SIM is used for mobile data, especially if you have one SIM specifically for mobile data. If you have like a proper mobile data plan and the other SIM doesn't, then of course this might be the reason why you have issues with mobile data. So if you do use two SIMs at once on your phone, then just make sure that the correct SIM is selected. Other than that, you can also go to the data warning and limit. So if your mobile data turns off from time to time, then what you can do is you want to simply disable the limit over here. Of course, you can still adjust the limit even if it is enabled in here, and you can manage that. And besides that, if we go back to the main menu, well, not main menu, but the settings of mobile data, then here at the bottom we have the data saver, which also can be the reason why, for example, certain apps run slower, or maybe if you don't receive any updates from the app, and so on and so forth when you use the mobile data. So of course you might want to turn it off, or you can go to unrestricted mobile data in order to choose which apps should always be allowed to use full mobile data all the time, pretty much, even if the data saver is enabled. Now, besides that, if still you couldn't fix your mobile data, if you still have issues with the mobile data, then you can also go to SIMs and mobile network, and then you want to go ahead and choose your SIM that you use for mobile data. And in here, you want to make sure that 5G is selected. So if you go to the preferred network type, over here, you should be able to simply choose 5G option over here to just make sure that you are always using the best connection possible. So if you disabled 5G in the past and you decided to use LTE or 4G, then of course temporarily at least you can switch back to 5G to see if that helps. And besides that, we're gonna go back to settings. And in here we can scroll down to go to system settings, and then in system settings, if you go to reset options, then we should be able to find the reset mobile network setting option. Over here you can also choose the SIM that you want to reset if you have two SIMs. So of course you can choose the one that you actually use for mobile data, and then you want to reset these settings, and then maybe after this reset everything is going to be fine. And last but not least, a very simple task, you can also restart your phone. So if you go to the control center or quick settings and tap on this power button here in the bottom right corner, and then in this power menu you can just tap on the restart to simply reboot your phone. And sometimes a simple restart can also be very, very helpful. And one more information about the lack of mobile data. Of course, there are times when the mobile data cannot be accessed because of issues on the operator's side. So there can be cases where there's like a weaker signal, maybe there's some sort of outage going on, stuff like that. In that case, you cannot really do anything with your phone or on your phone to fix this, and you just have to wait for this issue to be resolved. Of course, you can always try to like Google information about any downtime of your service provider signal or something like that. Maybe if there's like something going on, if there's something wrong. And if that is actually the case, then of course you just have to wait. But in case not, then of course you can try to follow these instructions that I mentioned in this video. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.